I'm the weather guy. We're here at the Chattanooga Nature Center to, I don't know, why are we here?
You know why we're here? Just do the video.
We're here to see how the climate affects the animals.
We're here at the red wolf exhibit, and I don't think the climate's affecting them at all. They look just fine. They don't really look like they need it, but I'm just nice enough. I'm gonna give them a penny.
One of the animals here at the Nature Center is the bobcat. It's Lynx.
What are you doing?
Lynx rufus, and it's
What are you doing? I can't believe this. What is he doing? What is his problem? What is he doing, Christian?
I can't believe we're doing this.
Let's go.